Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Chang. I'm the founder and CEO of Grand Rapids, and I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today is so excited to be here to attend this very meaningful event. Yeah.
So, event like this,
Mhm.
what is the significance of this event to community at large?
I think it's incredibly significant because this is not the event allowing us to appreciate our past and appreciate the art, but also allowing us to fuse more smoothly with each other, understand each other's culture, and each other's perspective, history, and we can learn a lot from each other. So I think it's incredibly important. Like art is so powerful, and to be appreciated, art use the art as a medium, as a bridge. This is so meaningful to the whole community.
Exactly, like you said, art and culture, like bridge, can
Yes.
bring people together.
Yes.
And somebody like you is very successful business person, and how we definitely need your help, and your presence is already means a lot to the community.
It's my great honor.
Yes,
Yeah.
but what is as a community member, what help you think we should provide?
Yeah, I think that, the world right now changing so fast, right? And also the whole world is reachable by a lot of means through the internet, through very like cutting edge technology for communications. So in order to learn how to moving forward, and it's so important to everybody in the world right now. And so in order to learn how to moving forward together, we need to learn about each other's culture through art and through the history. And the art is so important. Like I said, it's great medium and bridge, allowing us to do that. Look at the great pictures, great pieces, great sculptures. Then we can start tell the story. What's background, under what kind of situation people want to create this kind of art using these kind of materials. And based on that, what to get gradually involved into what we have today. And by improving this kind of understanding, I think it is great for our community to live better with each other and to actually create a better world.